Daniel Borg with his project video for sequence diagram and prototype for MIU 1505. As you can see here, I have my sequence diagram ready to go in a PDF file, and this is the number one page you will open up to. If you click one of the buttons, you will be put to the second window, which is the object title and the details for the actual object. And if you hit the picture, you go right to the actual object view, and then you have a choice to go back to the detail, and then you can go back to the actual main window. And if you wanted to add a recipe, you just hit the plus button, you go up and you can add a recipe. And of course, you can add another recipe for the page here, or trash and a recipe in the garbage can. And as you can see, I have another page that brings you up to the add recipe view, and you could put your picture, the name of the food, the ingredients, and the direction. And then the garbage is pretty much another page that has a some of an outline of the actual particular item, and then you have a trash can right here for it to delete it. Now I'm just going to show you the prototype that I came up with. So here it is, the recipe recall list, and then you have your recipes ready to go. This is your opening page, and then you would click on one of them and it brings you to the recipe detail, the picture and the ingredients and recipe, and then you can click on the picture and it brings you up to a bigger picture with a little bit of a saying, and then an option to go back to how to prepare and to cook, or you can go back to the main window. And all these buttons pretty much do the same thing. Just going to demonstrate it for you. Now the other thing is I added a add recipe button up top here, and when you hit it, it shows you the recipes you already have, and you can add a recipe like I showed you in the sequence diagram. And if you can go in here, you can add the ingredients and all that stuff. You can close back out and it goes back to the favorites list, and then you can also trash any recipes, and if you hit the delete button, it'll just delete it, and so forth. This was a great, awesome particular project. I really enjoyed it, and I'm looking to do some more prototypes and start coding. I hope everybody's doing well, and happy coding.